Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on POCO X4 GT. So in order to do this, we'll need to open Google Play Store. From here, begin a search for an app and enter Firefox. Now select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, we'll be able to open this app. From here we can start customizing it, so you can change a theme, pick your toolbar placement, adjust always on privacy settings, sign up to synchronize other devices, read privacy notice, and when it's done click on start browsing, and as you can see the app works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.